Yeah.
So hello everyone, cheers from Germany. It's already 9 o'clock in the evening. It's also a little bit frosty outside. We have a really winter. So today I want to present to you my idea, which is kind of a new affordable plant sensor for home plants. It's more for private plants designed, and which is not that very expensive as other products. So based on marketing research, based on market research and marketing analysis, um, we find out that there is need of this type of product, but people are not ready to pay that much as other companies want to have. So let's go. So there are two main problems. So the first one that people forget just to water their indoor flowers and they die. I just have one which is staying in another room. I brought it from the office because it's completely dried. My wife, she takes about plants much better than me. So this probably a great product would be for me personally. The next problem is the products that are on the market. They're quite expensive, or they're not smart enough. So they are just showing kind of a status analog sensors, which are pretty cheap, and they're showing just a status of soil, if there is enough water, and that's it. But they are not taking into account that there are different plants. They need a different amount of water. They also need a specific light condition, and. So what the solution would be? It's a 5-year smart sensor or $5 smart sensor. So it's no needed battery. So it's a totally autonomous. It has a solar panel. It's very easy to use, so there is no problem with Bluetooth connections. It connects directly to internet over this USB hub. Uh, the hub has a USB connection, but this is only for power supply. It's the USB has no really functionality. So you can connect this hub to any place. You can connect it to router, to your laptop, to any player, to your cell phone wall plug adapter. And here we go. You have a base station for your sensor. You can connect up to 10 different sensors at your home. So probably there's quite sure that the people who have plants at home, they don't have only one flower. They have regularly like 2, 3, 5, 10 flowers, and just with one system, they control all of them. So what this sensor can do, it can measure soil moisture, temperature, and light condition. So based on these parameters and also the data bank about sensors in the background, the system can give you tips and tricks. What would be the better conditions for your flowers to be in the best the best form, like light conditions, a more sunny place, less sunny place, more water, less water. So this things like this. This is this is the first example of this product solution. As you can see, it's a quite small sensor. This is the laptop with the app and a sensor itself, and this is how the app might looks like. So you have you can add your flowers, you can take a picture of your flowers, so you can remind it, and then you can see what the status, how happy is the flower at the end of the day with it, in those conditions where you placed it. So if we will take a look in the marketing positioning, so price per feature, the Greensens is concentrating on offering like the best solution. So we have two types of sensors in the market. It's the sensors which are work in a distance less than 10 meters. It's most of the sensors like manually, so you have to come and check, or they work over Bluetooth connection. Or there is a lot of there are some sensors to which it works even online, but they are pretty expensive. So you can see for those some brands are highlighted in red. So these sensors do not exist anymore on the market. So based on an analysis, it's probably because of their high costs. So per one sensor, hello plant and Vex, The people want to have like 25 euro for parrot sensor. It's more like 60, 70 euro. It's quite high prices, same as a Kuabachi. And the sense like Hello Planet FX, they even do not offer connection to the internet, so they don't have like VLAN connection. There are some brands that are still in the market, like Mi in the middle. So it's from Xiaomi, the sensor, and Garnier. Mi is about 25 a year, but just because of big size of the company, they can do it. They can manage the marketing. They have enough resources. Garnier, it's quite expensive sensor, which is about 135 a year, but this is more luxury market. And which are really good sold on the market at this moment. This is a Royal Garden and Trimp. Trimp is more like do-yourself. It's for electronic people, and Royal Gardener, it's a very simple, small, very simple sensor, which offering you only moisture control without any connection to external world, and yeah, not that smart. And the Greensens want to overtake to tackle all these issues and offer best price sensor with best set of features. So if we will take a look on our competitors, so on the right side, the competitors do not exist on the market. On the left side, you can see the sensors which are the price under 10 years, the sensors that have an app online connection, which don't need battery, and also it's possible to add an Alexa skill in the future. The market size only in Germany, so we are not limited only in Germany. It's a product that's kind of independent, can be sold around the whole world. So based on marketing research, there is great interest of the people, women between 25 and 40 years old, especially in Germany. It's about 6.9 million. Why employed? Because employed women do not stay at home and they forget to water their plants. Based on social research, 40% of people in Germany they have plants at home. So it's about 2.76 million people who are interested on the system, on the sensors only in Germany. Marketing research shows, as I said, a great interest from women 25 to 40. There was interest garden flowers, design, mobile technologies, and so on. So that's why, based on some pre-marketing research, I'm concentrating right now. It's on this target group, and to click per advertisement cost at Facebook and Instagram in total about 38 cents. So this is a small road plan. So there is something already done, like generate idea, branding, and some prototype development, and also some pre-marketing. So the next stages will be collecting pre-orders, because if you check greensens.de webpage, there is already pre-orders available. This is a goal to get a marketing and see how many pre-orders you can collect without having like a final product to see the interest and the feedback from the market. It's very valuable results from my point of view. So the next step will be collect pre-orders, analyze results. The next stage of marketing, again, analyze the results, and closing a business partnership. And the later stages are getting find finances and ramp up the production and sales. The business model is quite straightforward. So we're offering two packages. One package is one base station with 3 sensors and 1 sensor. So you can see there is quite good margin. So we have ratio about 3, the last 2.8. So the net production of first set is 10 a year, and the net income about 18. So it's possible to push the production price so low due to good connection with China market, and let's produce them all this stuff. So yeah, thank you for listening me and looking at the presentation. What I'm looking for at the moment, it's business partner who can support me on marketing and sales, because I'm like an techie guy. I have more than 80 years experience in drone and German automotive industries at the moment, but I want to develop. I'm developing my own project, and looking forward to find co-founders in direction marketing and sales. So if you have someone in Germany who are interested in this, so please let me know, and it would be, I would really appreciate it. Thank you very much.